Five little monkeys jumped in on a bed. Five little monkeys jumped in on a bed. Five little monkeys put all their pajamas. Five little monkeys brushed their teeth. Five little monkeys said good night to their mama. Then five little monkeys jumped on the bed. One fell off and bumped his hair. The mama called the doctor. The doctor said, no more monkeys jump in on a bed. So four little monkeys jumped on a bed. One fell off and bumped his hair. The mama called the doctor. The doctor said, no more monkeys jump in on a bed. So three little monkeys jumped on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. The mama called the doctor. The doctor said, no more monkeys jump in on a bed. So two little monkeys jumped on a bed. One fell off and bumped his hair. The mama called the doctor. The doctor said, no more monkeys jump in on a bed. So one little monkey jumped on the bed. She fell off and bumped her head. The mama called the doctor. The doctor said, no more monkeys jump in on the bed. So five little monkeys fell fast asleep. Thank goodness, said the mama. Now I can go to bed.